the Taltala District Officer Tabua, the honorable councillors, management and staff of Water Authority of Fiji, and most importantly, our beloved customers who are here this afternoon. I really did not expect an occasion as big as this. I was basically coming over to recognize the efforts of my team, my staff at Water Authority of Fiji. As Mr. Croyd correctly put it, this reservoir had been sitting idle for about 11 years, and I'm sure the vision back then by the engineers or by the government of the day back then was to fill this reservoir. Unfortunately, maybe due to the expanding population and due to the changing demands over the years, somehow the hydraulics of the system did not cater or was able to fill this reservoir. And this afternoon, I made sure, I told my people in the national office, I want to go to Tabua today, to go and recognize the people that are working in Tabua, the supervisor and his staff, for their innovative attitude, for thinking outside the box, for challenging their mindset. And that is why today we will commission this reservoir that will be able to service the people of Tangi Tangi, the schools, and the customers who were previously having intermittent water supply. This government is all about providing better service to the people. We want to have the same levels of service in the rural community, same as what the people in the urban areas enjoy. So to do that, we must have good roads, electricity, and most importantly, good water supply. The Water Authority of Fiji was established to improve service delivery. That is the bottom line. And we are here today to witness and commission a reservoir that will extend our coverage and that will improve the quality of life for the people around this area. We are so thankful and grateful. We operate under fully funded government provisions. Without the government, Water Authority of Fiji cannot operate because we are fully funded by them. Because the water tariff cannot cater for our operational and capital needs. So we are thankful and grateful to the government for building funding for the building of this reservoir, for helping fund Water Authority so that we can provide better service to our customers. And today, we will be recognizing a certain staff in Tabua, the supervisor of Tabua, Rakiraki, who led the team in terms of changing a few things around the Tabua water supply system that has enabled this reservoir to be filled. And at this point in time, I would just like to read the letter that I will be giving to the supervisor Tabua Rakiraki. This is the letter that I'll be giving to him, and I think it encompasses and it captures why we're here this afternoon. And this is addressed to the supervisor for Tabua Rakiraki, Mr. Penny Ngaluvakandua. Dear Mr. Ngaluvakandua, I wish to congratulate you for your splendid efforts on the Tangi Tangi Reservoir distribution system. Your initiative and innovative attitude has resulted in our customers receiving consistent supply of safe drinking water. Tangi Tangi Reservoir had been left idle for 11 years, but you took up the challenge to fill this long abandoned reservoir, and you did it through a simple re-examination of the status quo, and thus exemplifying a culture of continuous improvements. With this milestone achievement, not only have you written a new page in the history of the Water Authority of Fiji, you have also given the residents of Lumbulumbu, Galel, Matarawa, and students of Tangi Tangi Public School and Tangi Tangi Sangam School an opportunity to have access to clean drinking water on a daily basis instead of the 4 to 5 hour supply per day. On behalf of the management team of Water Authority of Fiji, I would like to thank you for your hard work. This is a good way to start a new year, and you have certainly proved that anything is possible. We are very fortunate to have such a wonderful, enthusiastic, and dedicated staff on board. You have inspired all of us. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Vinabalevu, Dhanyavad. Okay, people of Tangitangi, enjoy the water, but pay your bill, please.
Alamburi.
Set.
Namita saya malah.
Naka. Okay. Thank you.